Okay, we're diving right in, house training. Probably something a lot of you are struggling with, or maybe not. Maybe you're doing really well, but I think some of these tips will really get you there. It'll get you over the hump, okay? So before I dive into my first tip, let's talk about this a little bit, all right? Crates and pens are great for house training a puppy. Why? Because I'm gonna feed him in here. I'm giving him a few treats in his dish. Maybe your pup sleeps in this crate as well. This is an important space to the puppy. His toys are in here, okay? He's gonna get his favorite bone in here when he gets his mid-afternoon time away from me. This is an important space for your puppy. So they should not want to potty in here. Most puppies do not want to potty where they eat. So feed your dog in the pen or the crate. You can do either one. And we're gonna get to crate in a little while and we can discuss that further. But feed your dog in this area, give them time in here. What happens is the dog starts to learn to tell you that they need to potty. So instead of just peeing on the floor in here, a little pack should go, Okay, so he's learning to communicate with me. I have to go potty. Let me out of here. I don't want to potty in here. Let's talk real quick about potty pads. If you're using potty pads, ask yourself why. Is your dog left alone for more than 4 or 5 hours at a time in an area like this? Then yes, you need to use potty pads. You need to give them a very clear space inside where they go potty. If not, I say get rid of the potty pads because all you're teaching your dog to do is potty in this space, okay? It's gonna start to work against you. When you have a very, very young pup, say 8 weeks, and they're pottying often, like every 15 or 20 minutes, potty pads are great. But by the time they reach 10 weeks, I usually tell people get rid of those potty pads. By 15 weeks, if I had potty pads in here, he would be having a fantastic time tearing those things up, okay? So I don't want to teach him to potty in here. I want to teach him to communicate with me when he needs to go, okay? So use this space wisely, really important. Again, feed your dog in here. You can see I'm giving him little treats in his dish here, his water's in here, and his toys. This is his important space. Eventually, we want that to extend to the rest of the house, but let's start here because we just have a baby, okay? All right, so training tip number 1 on your potty training. When your dog does let you know that they need to go potty by giving you that signal, whether it's a bark or a whine, take them outside, put them on leash and take them to the place that you want them to go. As your pup is going potty, whisper to them quietly, go potty, or go pee-pee. You can say whatever you want, repeat it to them. I say whisper it because if you startle your dog, they may stop going and then come inside and potty on the floor. So you want to make sure that they do it all when they're outside. So as they're doing the act, go potty, dogs learn through association. So if little Pax here is going pee-pee and I'm saying go potty, those verbal cues start to he starts to put it together that means go pee, okay? So very important. So again, take your dog out, show them where you want them to go and tell them quietly, go potty, and then feel free to reward them. Good boy. You can give them a treat, you can give them hugs, you can give them kisses, whatever it is, toss their favorite ball, reward that they went potty in the space you wanted them to do, okay? So there's your house training tip number 1. Show your dog where to go, whisper softly, and reward them for going potty outside.